Welcome to our mold workshop. We currently possess over 2,000 mold models and have a professional design team to carry out design work. We design mold schemes based on customers' machine models, accessory, drawings, and original factory part parameters. This is our mold design team. They are currently conducting mold testing and sample making, inspecting whether the product dimensions, flatness, and sealing meet the standards. This is our precision mold opening and CNC machining process, where high-precision equipment is used to cut, engrave, and shape mold steel materials.